So there's generally an Indian Student Association. So I got to know about Indian Student Association, which was for UMBC, and I contacted them. And I was having one of my friend who was my junior in my college during my undergrad in India. So yeah, we decided to stay together. So I got to know about my roommate from there. And regarding the housing thing, so we contacted the Indian Student Association. So basically, those are the seniors who are in second year of their masters, and they are handling those the incoming new students and all those things. So yeah, about the second point, so they booked houses on for us, and we they paid some token amount of I guess $50, and then on from that we got our house when we came here, and we then paid the entire amount. So they just randomly allocated the houses according to the number of people you'll be staying. Yeah, so here there was 1 year lease agreement that you need to sign, and if you want to sign the lease for lesser months, there will be some additional charge. And regarding the negotiation, so they are having just standard prices for everyone, for students and for others as well. So there's no scope for negotiation kind of thing. You have to pay deposit for internet, for electricity, and for housing. So these three are the deposit things. So that will be shared equally, and the utilities as well. So Wi-Fi is mandatory, so it will be shared among four of us, and also the electricity. And regarding the grocery, so initially we started sharing with everyone, but as we got to know that everyone is having a slightly different tastes and different I mean veg non-veg kind of thing. So since then, from the second semester, we started splitting it and getting a grocery individually. Rent is around $300,
Yeah.
and so Wi-Fi will be around $28. During the winters, the electricity bill is around $50 because the heater is on all the time, and during summers, it is like $30. Grocery also depends on what kind of grocery you're getting, and if you're making your chapatis at home, so that will differ. And yeah, I mean, $100 grocery will be sufficient for 1 month. You accommodate for 2 to 3 days with your seniors, and they will take you around just to let you know what all things to buy and from where to buy. They took us to the stores, and they helped us in getting the grocery. So in that way, we managed the initial food stuff, and yeah, so we got like parathas but it lasted hardly for 2 to 3 days. So since then, we started cooking by ourselves. I don't think it's a useful kind of thing, but yeah, the main thing is you get to know about your friends and all. Yeah, getting to know about the people and getting an idea about the university where which department is. I-20 updation was done on the orientation day for me. So yeah, that is the important thing. But yeah, that you can do it later as well. But yeah, that was the thing. For my particular course, 60% of the people had prior work experience.